All right. This is the GNOME grub. Who created this grub? Not me. I take zero credit for this. The person you should thank for this beautiful grub menu, Teddy. Teddy is the brains behind this, or the artist behind this grub menu. Now, with this being said, I'm gonna hit enter. Read the top left of the screen. It's gonna have an error. Set font KDFONT function not implemented. I will be showing you how to fix that if you are already on 0G. If you're not, the upcoming version will not have this error. So all you have to do is the following. You open terminal and you type sudo nano or vim or whatever you use etc mkinit cpio.conf. Hit enter, type your password, and you go to the binary section here and you type set font, all one word. Again, you nano into etc mkinit cpio.conf, go to the binaries line, and in the parentheses, which is empty when you open it for the first time, you type set font, all one word, lowercase, and then you save and exit. For nano, it's Control X, and then you hit Y, hit enter, it's saved. Then you have to type sudo mkinit cpio space dash capital P. You hit enter. It's gonna rebuild the thing. It's gonna do a rebuild. And once it's done, you type reboot, hit enter. Okay, now you still see the message up top, but now it's no longer there. It's gone. Issue fixed.